Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar CAD, I still think that we are going down. I do believe that this is very likely to turn into a downtrend. I think the most likely place for it to go is around this 100% Fibonacci extension. I think there's a very good likelihood that it is a wave C, but you never know. It definitely could turn into a wave three, and if it is, then it possibly will go all the way down to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame definitely been going up very strong last few weeks, as you can see. I still think this is a one, a two, and I still think there's a very good chance that this is going to go down for a wave three. By the looks of it, it's most likely going to be a one, two, three of C, but if for sure it could stretch out into a one, two, three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we definitely made a little bit of a three-way pattern to the upside. We definitely bounced off the Fibonacci level. Now, I think there's a chance this could already be ending a crescent and it could already be continuing the downtrend. Now, we do have to be a little bit careful because this could be three waves up for like an A and then like three waves down for like a B, or maybe three waves up for a W and an X, and they possibly could go up again. But for now, especially with this big bounce off the fib level and looking at correlated dollar pairs, I think the best bet for us is to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can actually break this down to one, two, three, four, five, probably a one. I think this is one, two, three up, probably a two. And I think there's a good chance we are going down for a wave three, but we cannot look at the possibility that this is not an A and not a B, and that it doesn't go down, maybe bounce off a fib level and then go back up for a wave C. But luckily, we will be able to tell the difference between a wave three and a wave C pretty easily by watching price action and by seeing what levels it does respect and doesn't respect. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, definitely some nice shorts right here. This was actually a very, very clear end of an ABC correction. Now, I don't think it's over. I would expect, even if it is a wave C, I would expect it to at least go down to the 100% Fibonacci extension. So I would definitely continue to look for shorts. And if this really is a wave three, not a wave C, then this actually has a lot of downside potential left. So I definitely would continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks, probably for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.